Bonjour. It is day 80, like 7, I think, um, of doing some coding every single day, um, without fail. Um, Big week. Already had day one of big week. Had my presentation today for the instruction set architecture. Slides didn't pop up on the screen. You know, that's not ideal. Um, but I mean, it was fine. We have such a bland architecture. Like everyone's doing like something pretty unique. Like we were the only ones that were like very general, which I kind of want to change in some way. Um, but maybe it's just because it's like information that like I am aware of. Um, or it's I just phrased that wrong. It's stuff that I've been working on, so it looks very general to me. But it is pretty general, I think, still. Um, yeah, so had classes today, had the presentation, had to do a lot of homework today, and spent hours on the site behind us. If you've watched some of these videos, you know I've been working on this. Well, actually, technically, I've been working on the site for years, and it's gone through multiple iterations, but it's finally at a working state. I did what I said. Actually, it's broken. The note part I kind of broke somehow, and I need to fix that, and I just like realized that, but um, one second. Okay, sorry. I lost my train of thought. Yeah, I'll show you site because I did make some leaps and bounds with that. And uploaded all my assignments onto this. So this is now my assignment in just task in general tracker. Um, but yeah, I still a million things that need to be done on this site. But I put a lot of hours into it recently and I kind of need to step away. I'm going to fix the note thing tomorrow, probably tomorrow. No more than an hour dedicated to it because I really need to start focusing on other stuff that isn't this. Because it is in a state where I only need an hour to get it to polish up a few things and get the note thing working again. Because I think it was just I messed up some data stuff on like the back end for some stupid reason. So so yeah. Um, what I think it is, I don't know. It's gonna be something weird, but anyways, um, yeah. Tomorrow is the only day of the week that is going to be kind of tame. So I might record doing some stuff tomorrow, but yeah, tomorrow I really need to get done all of my like homework and work for the rest of the week because the rest of the week is straight up just career stuff, basically, not even school. So I need to get ahead of the week tomorrow because I have the interview, 2 career fair days, and yeah. So so let's go over the site a little bit and what I did, and then we can do a leak code, and then I'm going to bed. Okay. Um, I'll zoom in a little. So if you look at yesterday's video or you saw yesterday's video, this had I think it had color coding, but um, it had no you couldn't check something off like when you complete it. The dates were messed up. It didn't sort like it wasn't like right now this is sorted by due date, right? Um, like what is due next? There was no like filtering. There was nothing. All there was add task, and then you could have a task that was just put on. Um, and so now I have it. If you see, if I go to add task and I do test for video, and I have it due today. And then there's this nice color wheel that comes up. It looks better on Firefox actually. But I don't know. You can just pick blue. Okay, testing out this feature. Create task. And so there you go. And then I can click on it. I can see the information, can edit it, whatnot. Um, and so it pops up in due today, and then I can click it, and it goes down to here. And these are all my completed tasks. And so then I can click on this, and I can delete it, and it'll just delete it out of here, or you can delete it up here, whatever. Um, so yeah, that's great. And so then I have a due today, a due this upcoming week, so just 7 days out from today, and then just due later. Past the coming week, I don't really care about filtering it outside of that. So I can just see like everything. So I have like these assignments. I have my interview Wednesday. I have the career fair, this career fair, midterm. It's just everything that I have upcoming for this week. Finished everything I have to do for today, and then the things I want to add to this is on the side right here, I want the caret to fold it up and down and save the state of that. So you can, I would assume most people want the due later just collapsed. Obviously, you want to display it, but like you don't really care what is outside of this week and like unless for very rare stuff. So it's like there's so much here that I like planned ahead that it'd be nice just to collapse that or even, collapse due this week. And then I also want to do like a count on the other side of this that just shows the total amount of stuff I have to do for the week, for the day, and in the future. So and then completed tasks. I like just having completed tasks, and I can just delete them. Like what I end up doing is I just fill up. I'll probably just fill this up until the end of the semester, and then whatever. Um, and then I'll probably do like I want to add something maybe where you like over here. There's selectors where I can do like, or I can do like clear tasks, like a button that says clear completed tasks. I don't know. We'll see. Uh, but yeah, I love how this looks. It just replicates what I was doing with Google Sheets, and Google Sheets worked amazing. So I just needed a simple function for this. Um, and I mean, the note system is working right now. It's just if I go and I'm like, oh, add a folder, test, it doesn't, it just errors. Wonder, can I add a note? I can. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay. So it's literally just, yeah. Um, okay. I will be right back and then we will do delete code. Okay. Yeah, let's get this over with. I'm so tired. I don't know why I stayed up. I want to go to bed. I need the easiest thing ever to do right now. I actually slept like 4 hours last night, and I've been up since 8. Um, but it's like I don't even want to do any of this. I guess I'll look at this one. Given an array of intervals, where intervals I is the start, and wait, where intervals at I is equal to start, high, and end. Return the minimum number of intervals you need to remove to make the rest of the intervals non-overlapping. Intervals only touch at a point. What you could just do, go through the array and look for everything that starts at like everything that starts at a particular time. Uh, I mean, if you sort it by the first element of every interval, right? Technically, if there's anything that overlaps, they'll be next to each other. So you say, is this is there an interval that starts I don't know, starts in the at or in between another interval, and then just remove the interval that goes outside that interval because that'd be conflicting. But how would I look at that? I'd say like if the start time is less than the end time. How easy is the solution? I'm just looking at length here. For Python, it is quite literally like 10 lines. Oh my God. Okay. What happens if I make a dictionary and I just only append stuff to, like I say, like, let's say I sort it. Let's do a sort by, let's do intervals is equal to intervals. Oh, I need ChatGPT here. This is like the one syntax I mess up so much is lambda stuff. So sorted array is equal to a sorted intervals x is 0. Like so my idea is like is like if I had a dictionary and then I just said for each in sorted array, or no, I want to do for index in the range of sorted array minus 1, well, in range of the length sorted array minus 1. um and I want this to be if sorted array at index at 1 is greater than sorted array at index plus 1 at 0, right? Then interval dictionary at index plus 1 is equal to an array of sorted array at index plus 1. Otherwise, well, no, I'd kind of need like a global thing of um like an interval level. Oh, I know that is right. Right? The only thing is interval level needs to change every single time. Or no, I can just do this. Oh, that's what if one in is this what it wants? Um, yeah. But when this wait, why would this be two? I'm checking if this value is greater than this value. So this value is greater than this value. So I append. Why am I appending 1, 3, and 2, 3 though? Two, three conflicts with. Wait, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. If this happens, print the sorted array actually, and the index. Why would this ever happen? At index 0. Oh, wait, no, this is the sorted array. Oh, I see now. Oh, yeah, because that throws down the 3. Oh, okay, I see. Well, what I should do is not only do I do this, I also say that the index gets increased. So no matter what, actually, at the end of this, index plus equals 1. Is this a range error now? No. Wait, what? Wait, what am I doing wrong here? I want to find the max between. Okay, wait. If I find out that this value is greater than this value, right? Then I want to take the max between. I want to say um, that the remove element is going to be equal to the max between the sorted. God, I want to go to bed. Sorted array at index at 1 and the sorted array at index plus 1 at 1. Okay. Or no, I want to say if this value is greater than this value, right? And then I want to do a sorted array dot remove index del array at index. Sorry. Do I keep the -1 there? I think so. If sorted array. How, bro? Oh, I just want to go to bed. Why me? Why me? Print. Oh. In what world? It's saying that like, oh, it's saying that down here. Oh, because I'm deleting an index in the array. Oh, shit. Wait, why am I doing a dictionary if all I have to do is just delete and then just check the difference in length? Wait, am I dumb? Can I just do this? If this value is greater than that value, and if this value is greater than this value, then delete this one, otherwise delete this one. While the current index is less than the array length. So if the array is 3, I want to check the index of just 1. Okay, so this is good. I'm missing, I think, the array length update. Right? Please work. Please work. Please work. No. No. You motherfucker. Well, it works. Like it works. We know it works. It's just it's not efficient. Okay. Give me the solution. Res is 0. Sort by the first index. X is x at 1. Previous end. For I in range from 0 to the end of the length of the intervals of previous end. So if this one is greater than this, res plus equals 1, else. So instead of doing operations like this, right? Instead of doing all of this, I just say res is equal to 0. And then this would just be res plus equals 1. if oh no, so it is this, sorry. And then it's res plus equals 1, else just this, or no. Oh, um, I think it's actually this. I see my mistake. It's not an else here. Wait. Oh, it's because oh, I see, I see. It is, I want to do a, don't do an index, do a, so you just start with that last end, and you say a for index in a range of the length of intervals, we're starting one in because we're starting at the second one because we're setting previous end to this. If sorry, it would be, yeah, but it's not a plus one because we're starting one ahead. What did I mess up? Okay, first off, I should just do this in place thing. Sorry. Oh my god. Probably still won't work. Nah, sick. So, I mean, I came to a solution beforehand that worked. It was just really inefficient because it did properly. It just the whole thing that you have to do, right, is you have to remove the correct one. Because if you remove the wrong one, then you might have to remove multiple to get rid of it. So, like, the whole idea is like if you had something that started, like, say this one went from a 1 to 100, and then the next one went from um I don't know, 5 to 1,000, right? What, like, I was checking, like, oh, I don't even want to think about it. I'm so tired. I don't even want to, yeah, it's a solution. I'm going to bed. I'm popping a melatonin and going to bed. I have a lot of work to do tomorrow. I want to explain that because, like, I mean, like, I understand what's happening. It's just like, so the previous end is at the end time, right? And then we say, okay, is this time greater than the next interval's start time? If it is, right, then the result goes up by one. Oh, why is that? Because we're going to delete this one because this one goes past, the end of this one. So it's like we're going to remove this, but not actually remove it because, um, um, because that would like take more time, right? So now we just don't even care about this. We just move on to the next one, and this is still the previous ending. And now we're like, oh, this one to this one. Oh, these ones don't have a conflict, right? So the previous end just moves to the one that we're currently at its end time, right? And it's kind of, just this. It's just this playing with like an updated value here and there instead of removing and shifting, which is just very inefficient. So yeah, just using numbers instead of actual, you know, movement operations. Anyways, okay. I'm going to upload this and have to make a thumbnail and whatnot. So, but I will see you tomorrow for whatever we're doing tomorrow. But I have a lot of work I need to get done tomorrow. So we'll see. Bye.